Hi guys, Junyang Bao here. So today, it's Saturday, so tripping day natin. And naantayin natin yung client natin dito sa tapat lang halos ng Chef RB kasi may bibisit na malapit na house and lot project dito under house stock, which is the granary. So tingnan natin kung magugustuhan nila or masosolve ba yung problem nila for looking their property or home investment. So tara, samahan niyo po ako. And I hope makapag-video tayo during the tripping or during the site visit. So tingnan po natin. Tripping natin today and okay naman kada client, kasama yung sister niya and yung isang friend nila, nakasama rin nila sa bahay. Okay naman sa kanila. Kailangan na lang nilang pag-usapan in terms of equity or down payment. Dun lang yung medyo may question sila kung capable ba. So which is good naman kasi nga medyo siyempre, kukonsider din natin. Although kaya nila yung monthly amortization whether bank or Pag-ibig. So, yun lang po. And update ko kayo pagka nag-confirm na si client or nireserve na namin yung gusto nilang spot. So, yun lang po. This is Junyang Bao, your property consultant here in Laguna. And if you're interested to see the most affordable dito sa Binyan City, so let me know guys. Message nyo po ako. Bye!